Fishing Group Introduction. Bait Fish Assembly. Connect the fishing line to the Smart Bait Mini. Ensure that the connection is secure. Adjust the swing arm to a convenient direction for insertion. Insert the Smart Bait Mini into the fish belly, from the fish mouth in the correct direction. And use the hook to pass through the fish head or dorsal fin. Automatic on and off. Intelligent bait automatically turns on when entering the water and automatically shuts down when leaving the water. How to clean it. After each use, please remove the lid and clean the Smart Bait Mini with fresh water. Thanks for watching.